Hello, fellow mom to be, and how are we all doing? How is the journey so far? Yes, how is the journey so far? You will agree with me that pregnancy is an amazing journey, it's a beautiful journey, but to be honest, it comes with its own challenge. And one of the challenge with pregnancy is actually back pain. Yes, I was having severe back pain, majorly on my left hand side. It's back pain, and as the baby bump grows bigger, the strain in my back increased like in intensity. Like as the baby bump gets bigger by the day, it was like my spine was doing overtime just to keep me like alive. It was really like it wasn't really easy for me until I heard about the pregnancy support beds. But before you use all these pregnancy support beds, there are some things I would like you to take note of. So on this particular video, I am going to be sharing with you the benefits of using a pregnancy support bed. I'm going to be sharing with you why you are having that pain during pregnancy, how to choose a pregnancy bed, and if it is safe or not, because we have to be careful when using a pregnancy support bed, or else it's going to do more harm than good. So I'm going to be breaking it down on this particular video. So we have a lot of companies selling different pregnancy support beds. This is not a paid advert, so I'm going to be hiding it. If you know it, good and fine. It's not a paid advert, but I just want to share my thoughts on how I was able to deal with this back pain during the course of my pregnancy, and I hope it's going to be beneficial to you. So first of all, let's talk about why does back pain happen during pregnancy. If you are a pregnant woman and you are experiencing back pain, I just want to let you know that you are not alone in this. We are all alone in this together. The reason why you're having back pain as a pregnant woman, the first one I want to share with you is that the baby weight. You are just on your own before. There was no baby weight. All of a sudden, you started growing something in your womb. All of a sudden, you started growing something in your tummy. So as the baby grows, it tends to put pressure on your back and pelvis. So because as the baby is expanding, there's pressure. Definitely, it's like taking a hammer and using it to hit and pressing it against your hand. You're putting pressure. So as the baby is expanding, there's an increased pressure on your pelvis and also on your back that makes you experience that back pain. The second one I would like to share with you is that during pregnancy, a hormone known as relaxin is released. This relaxin losing, like it makes the muscles, the ligaments, the joints less, like it makes them not to be stable. Because of that, it's losing the ligaments and it makes you experience that back pain. Right. Then the third one I want to share with you is the activities you involve in. While pregnant, are you standing too much? Are you sitting too much? Depending on your job descriptions at work. So that is likely going to increase the intensity of the pain. Then the last reason why you are likely going to have that back pain during pregnancy is that your center of gravity changes. Yes, as your baby tends to grow, you notice as a pregnant woman, you tend to lean backward. And when you lean backward, you put a lot of strain on the back, which is likely going to cause that pain you are feeling. So pregnancy, back pain, they go hand in hand. Like a lot of women, I would say, because during my first pregnancy, I experienced back pain. Even this one, I experienced back pain, and they have to book an appointment with the physiotherapist. Yeah, in order for it. So one of the ways I was able to get it outside of physiotherapy was actually this back belt, pregnancy support belt. It actually helped me. I never knew there was something called pregnancy support bed. It was a friend of mine that actually like, okay, Messi, why don't you give it a try? Then I was like, okay, let's give it a try and see. This is the pregnancy support bed I used. It was a friend of mine that recommended it because she used it and she was like, that actually helped her a lot. So I'm going to show you how I put it and what you should take note of when you're using this pregnancy support bed. So it comes like, this is for the first trimester. You use this for the first trimester. This one is for the second trimester. You use this two for the second trimester. And this is the third one. You use the 3 for the third trimester. So if you are in the first trimester and you're experiencing pain, you use this alone. Second trimester, you use this. And the third trimester, you use this. Particularly, I started using this in the third trimester. So I had to use the 3 in one. So the first thing to do is that this one goes first. When I first of all saw this bed, I was like, it's very easy to use. I didn't know that I had to like watch a video to really understand the concept of how to apply it. So this one go beneath. I'm not really comfortable showing the bump. So it goes down here. my camera is not. So it goes like the bottom part. Okay, so you do it like this. So this, take note of this. This is the baby go or whatever they call it. So you put it at the bottom part. I'm just going to see if I can get a picture of it. I don't know how best to position this camera to get it. So let's see. So okay, so you put it directly on your belly, not on the clothes, please don't mind me. So this is actually for the first trimester. Then if you are in the second trimester experiencing pain, you put this is the second one. So this one is outside because this is where this other small bit is going to come. So you put it here. So you put it on top. See, you put it on top of, you can see it. You put it here, you put it here. Okay, I'm getting it. Then this is the last bit, which is, they say, for the third trimester. So you put it there. Remember, there's something here. You put it here. Then you take this one and you put it here. So this gives you the shape. So this actually helped me a lot. Like, it just, I felt a like relief when I used this bed compared to when I was not using it. But there's something you should take note of, the tips when using this, because if you use it constantly for a very long period of time, it can do more harm than good. It can restrict your blood flow because it's a belt. It's tight. It's tight, very, very tight. Is it tight? I would say it's not really tight, but it can really cause a little bit of discomfort. But it went a long way to help me relieve the pain. So this is the pregnancy support bed. This is how it looks like. This is how you put it. It relieves pressure. That pain you feel, it takes, like, it makes you feel much more better. So now I have the pregnancy support bed on. As you can see, I documented one of the way it has worked for me, and I don't want to forget it because I'm pregnant. So shooting content, you might forget some tips. So the first thing is that it provides extra support for you. As you can see, it gives me that extra support. So please and please remember, you're not putting it on top of your clothes. Generally, you put it on the, you understand, you take your clothes out and put it. This is just for a video purpose. So it provides this extra support. It helps me improve my posture. Remember, I said one of the reasons why you're having pregnancy back pain is because of the posture. So with this pregnancy support bed, it tends to improve your posture. It reduces fatigue. It supports you during exercise. But I don't usually use it during my exercise. The fact is, I use it when I'm having pain, and within 1 hour I've removed it. You get, but the people, like doctors will tell you, you can use it between 2 to 3 hours, but me, less than 1 hour I can remove it. I don't use it more than 1 hour. And when choosing a pregnancy support bed, you don't just choose any pregnancy support bed. You have to make sure that it's comfortable for you. This one was really comfy for me. It's comfortable, it's adjustable, it's not creating any unnecessary pressure on your body. And also, don't use it for more than 2 or 3 hours. I even advise 2 hours. You can take it out. You will feel relief, because I felt relief when I actually used the pregnancy support beds. Okay, this is a pregnant woman shooting content, and they're trying to give out value. So don't mind my positioning in my video. Just try and get value for, as a pregnant woman, just try and get value for it. So that's what I have to share with you in regards to the pregnancy support bed, how to put it on while you're having pain in pregnancy. Then before I go, I would like to share with you some other tips that helped me manage pain. Like I earlier told you, I was booked for a physiotherapist. Yeah, but I think the pregnancy support bed actually helped me more than the physiotherapy. So using the pregnancy support beds anytime is a win-win for me. Yeah, it's a good investment. I would advise all pregnant women to give it a try, but just make sure it's comfortable and adjustable for you. Okay, you can do yoga. Depending on how you can do yoga can help you manage your pain. For those women that like wearing heels, you can swap your heel shoes for flat shoes. So that's going to go a long way to also help with the gravity and to help you make stable a bit. Then try as much as possible to get enough rest. Exercise. Remember, like I said, exercise is very good. It's kind of help you, it helps the muscles, it helps you more flexible, it helps to strengthen your muscles, so it helps to reduce pain. So you don't just use the pregnancy support bed alone. I was also exercising, and that helped me with the back pain. So this is what I practically have to share with you in regards to back pain during pregnancy, and I hope it's beneficial. Wish me safe delivery in this video, because our baby will be coming soon. Anyway, thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. Bye, and see you in our next video.